Hey all, it's Chris again. So I'm going to quickly talk about the Ubiquiti Cloud Key. And for anyone that's running a Unifi system, this is kind of a key essential component of it. So what is this for and what does it do? So anyone that's new to Ubiquiti or the Unifi system may or may not know that the Unifi hardware requires a controller. In the past, I've just run this on like a local desktop machine. It's just a simple Java server, so it runs on Windows, Mac, or Unix, so whatever your flavor is. Or if you kind of want to be kind of using the official hardware, this is a cloud key. All it is effectively a quad-core. I think it's an ARM processor in here, but a quad-core integrated circuit, small CPU. Specifically designed to run the controller software for Unifi, and it's pretty cool because it also talks to the Ubiquiti Cloud stuff, so you can makes it a bit easier to remotely access, remotely manage your sites. So if you have one of these in each one of your sites, these will create tunnel out to the Unifi server, so you can remotely log into it a little bit easier than remotely managing ports and whatnot. These things are pretty beastly. I mean, I was reading something is a quad core and they've got like 2 gigs of RAM or something like that. I was reading like how many things can you run off these. And something silly like once you get to the point of maybe 100 access points, you probably want to go into like your own hardware. It was around that number, yeah, so you shouldn't for any most installations, houses or small offices, you shouldn't need to anything more than this. So what's cool about this as well, so if you're running, like I was running my controller on my desktop and I just booted it up, with the advantage of having one of these plugged in all the time is that you can have guest portal, so if you want a captive portal where someone logs to guest Wi-Fi and then they log in and it just tracks their session and whatnot, this does that stuff for you. It also collects stats and statistics, which you need to have one of these running all the time to get any kind of useful information from your network. So as you see, it's got a little micro SD card that goes in the bottom of there, which I think it comes with a 4 gig stick. 8 gigabyte. Is that 8 gigabyte? No, 8 gigabyte. Which should be more than enough for a lot of data. And comes with this little short RJ45 cable. And what's also cool about this is you don't have to. This is like a micro USB cable on the bottom of that, which is 5 volts. But this thing's PoE, so you can plug this directly into a switch, to a PoE switch, and it just runs by itself. So you can have it dangling off your switch, controlling your network, job done. Great bit of kit, and I'll go over how we set this up a bit later. That's all for now, and I'll talk to you soon.